We did it.
Yeah. Unknown Brain. Marvin Divine. I'm saying better all the lies and all the times you cried, saying that I wasn't right, yet I was right by your side. You manipulator, playing games, your friends commentate.
Last video was kind of more of an update video and also showing you guys the new bike. The door just closed itself there. Anyways, yeah, last video is more of an update video. Just showing the bike, kind of explaining that I'm back here in Idaho, and all the things that I'm gonna be doing to this bike in the near future. So if you haven't seen that video, make sure you go back and check out that video. This is part one. This is part one of the build series. That looked way cooler in my head. First things first, we gotta give her a wash. Alright, now that the bike's all cleaned up, we're gonna start digging into the carburetor. The bike at the moment does not run properly. It will turn over, but it has a very high idle. I tried adjusting the air to fuel mix and the idle. Nothing changes, so I'm assuming there's a clogged jet somewhere inside. So I'm gonna start digging into that, and we're gonna go from there. Like I said in the last video, I have not touched this bike at all off camera. Everything you guys have seen is what I've done. So this is my first time checking the air filter. I just took the seat off, and yeah, that is not good. It's dry, it's dirty, it's separating. No good. Definitely am going to need to replace that. But yeah, let's keep digging into it and pull this carburetor off. What? No way, bro. Well, that sucks. You can see that the head of my Allen broke off and is now, focus here, lodged right in there. I got it. Alright, we've now made our way over to the garage here. Got the carburetor, got some carb cleaner. Gonna clean out this carburetor. Hopefully it solves the issue of the idling and the bike running all weird. Just like that, the carb's all clean. Let's hope that fixed the issue. I ended up just taking this completely off so I could get in there and clean. Under here, there is a vent, and a piece of foam normally goes in there. That foam that normally goes in there is right here, and I don't want little chunks of this getting sucked into the carburetor, so this is the best I got. It's a thing to clean dishes, so hopefully I can cut this to the right dimensions and it should slip right in there. It should do the same, if not better, than the other piece of foam. Just like that, should do the job. Shouldn't let any dirt or grime in there. And yeah, we got this all cleaned out. Let's get this back on the bike, put the car back in, and see if it starts up. All right, everything's back together. There's no air filter in it, but that should be fine just for the first startup. Hopefully we fix the issue with the carburetor, and I guess we'll find out right now. This is the first start. Almost forgot. That's not good. Not good. Alright, I messed with the throttle a little bit. I forgot to turn the camera on. I have not tested it yet, so let's see if it fixed anything. Yes! Whew, we did it.
Unknown Brain, Marvin Divine. I'm saying bye to all the lies and all the times you cried, saying that I wasn't right, that I was right by your side. You manipulator, playing games. games, your friends commentators, and I don't know what you say about our private conversations, but it's got them hating. Thanks to all the rumors you be claiming, it's cool, I'm done with you, so they can throw you a celebration. You gon' hate it when you see me with somebody living better. I'm trying to tell you that they just doing me, I'm jealous.
I know that I gotta stay away from all your games, yeah. I know that I found somebody else to love me one day, yeah. You'll realize the grass ain't greener on the other side, no. You did me dirty for the last time, so now I gotta say goodbye.
Alright guys, that's going to be the end of this video. I'm so stoked. We finally got the bike running perfect. If you guys enjoyed, make sure you leave a comment, drop a like, and smash that subscribe button. And don't forget, start yesterday and chase it. I'll see you guys in the next one.